What's up guys, my name is Bhavneet Singh and welcome to Off Air with AIB. Ab India Bolega. And today we will be reviewing the first episode of On Air with All India Bakcho. AIB's first TV series On Air with AIB took off this Thursday on Hotstar, and from what we can understand, people are slightly confused. The general perception that persists about On Air with AIB is that अच्छा था पर उतना अच्छा नहीं था. Basically what happened is AIB pulled off a Rohit Sharma. यार expectations बहुत थे, अच्छा ही खेले पर उतना भी अच्छा नहीं था. The first episode of On Air with AIB goes to prove one thing only, something that all of us Indians knew very well. अंग्रेजी की जगह है पर हिंदी का मजा कुछ और है. Technically speaking, the Hindi version of the first episode, which was presented by Tanmay Bhatt and Khamba, was way better than the English version that was hosted by Ashish Shakya and Rohan Joshi. Well, to be fair, it had nothing to do with the languages. Like if the Hindi and English version of On Air with AIB were two completely different shows, the matchup would be something like a cricket match between Viv Richards, West Indies, and the current Bangladeshi team. An absolute fact. The topic chosen for this episode was corruption. Well, not really original, is it? We are not really certain how many people ended up speaking about corruption at the end of the show, but one thing's for certain. Every viewer that watched the show asked this one question. अबे तन्मय का weight कम हुआ क्या? One thing that was made very clear by the entire show was that all these four people, Tanmay, Khamba, Rohan and Ashish, were missing the microphones very badly. The stand-up comedian in them just wanted to kick the desk aside, go up and say, "Good evening guys. मैं Khamba हूँ." Although it was a good attempt, it felt like Sachin Tendulkar was not being utilized properly and was being asked to play golf. All in all, the first episode of On Air with AIB was like a proper Rohit Shetty film. You know, the hero was Khamba because I am Punjabi. The funny guy was a fat guy, that was Tanmay, which was also me. The villain, of course, was Prakash Raj. What did I hear? Ashish and Rohan, extras. One thing remained constant between both the languages. It was very evident that all the four people on screen were missing the galis a lot. Now, technically speaking, the Croson reference might have just been a reference to them not using the galis. Sir, joke bolna. Gali de. Sir, must joke bolna. गाली दे. लेकिन सर स्टार प्लस पे शो है, गाली नहीं दे सकते. अब तू जोक कैसे बोलेगा बे? Abish Mathew looked like a guy who got into DD Hindi because of the South Indian quota. But honestly, he was the most comfortable character on screen. For the North Indians watching the show, Abhish's segment was an eye-opener. Because देखो North Indians को captions पढ़ने की तो आदत होती नहीं है. They just went in. अबे ये साथ में लगता है रजनीकांत बैठा हुआ है. हैं जी, सुनो रजनीकांत लग रहे हैं. मन नहीं लगता. In the show, Tanmay Bhatt was playing Barkha Dutt. Dutt, Bhatt, get it? Khamba was playing Rajdeep Sardesai. Rohan Joshi was playing Kanan Gill, and Ashish Shakya was playing Aisha Takya, who needed a push-up. Generally their best player, Ashish Shakya, was so bad on screen, I wanted to file an RTI on who the hell was messing with his teleprompter. Hey, सीधा करना. The entire episode felt like it was some sort of a comeback to TVF's pictures. I think here's what happened in AIB's office.
Bro, TVF is doing everything. I think हम लोग को भी कुछ करना चाहिए.
हाँ यार, एकदम सही बोल रहा है. तू फाड़ दे रहे यार.
ये सुनना, मस्त है. We should now pitch a new idea.
एक काम करते हैं, फिगर आउट करते हैं. TVF है ना, तो TVF में इम्पोर्टेंट क्या, लोग फेमस क्यों है? क्योंकि
उनके नाम में टीवी है, हम भी टीवी पे जाते हैं। हाँ बट ब्रो, टीवी तो हो गया, एफ का क्या करेंगे? देयर हैज टू बी एन एफ आल्सो। देयर इज नो एफ। आई थिंक इट स्टैंड्स फॉर because that is what we do. We say anything and then we add to it. To clear everything.
AIB has done a fantastic job with the show, right? From being one of the most hated people in the business after the AIB roast to coming on screen which had shows like कहानी घर घर की और क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहु थी. It's progress. Well, if that is not progress, what is? Hats off guys, it's been an amazing show and I really hope these reviews get tougher for me with the weeks passing by. Your shows get better for all of us.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up and my name is Bhavneet Singh. Thank you.